NITTO KOHKI offers optional accessories, which enable vacuum suction for screws during fastening. Both a vacuum pickup and a sleeve are required for screw suction. Select the vacuum pickup according to the model of the electric screwdriver, delvo. Select the sleeve that matches the vacuum pickup series. After selecting the delvo series, select a sleeve with a tip inner diameter that is 0.1 to 0.3 mm larger than the screw head diameter. Adjust the sleeve height so that the screw head fits properly inside. Remove the cap. Attach the bit and the supplied spacer. Screw in the spring and vacuum pickup. Adjust the length of the sleeve so that the screw head fits inside. Secure the nut and the moving sleeve with the two supplied flat wrenches. Remove the coupling and accent ring. Attach the bit. Attach the flange coupling. Set the packing and attach the vacuum pickup. Adjust the position of the tube fitting and tighten the two set screws. Adjust the length of the sleeve so that the screw head fits inside.